When summer comes, many friends are reluctant to go outdoors because it's so hot. Last summer, the temperature reached over 40 degrees Celsius. This year, it's set to break the record again. As an outdoor laborer, I was looking for a product that could reduce body temperature. Unexpectedly, I actually found one. It is the JWMJ-I-COOL cooling vest. It uses a semiconductor cooling chip for cooling. It's not only lightweight, but also surprisingly cool. It really has a refreshing effect. The minimalist design of the JWMJ-I-COOL vest allows for free movement. It's not at all bulky. It goes well with clothes, and you can even wear a sun protection suit outside. The oversized intelligent surface is paired with ice silk cooling fabric. There are also two small fans. They blow out a circular cooling airflow. Once you put it on, you immediately feel a cool sensation. The temperature drops quickly. It drops by 20 degrees in just 2 seconds. It truly is a portable air conditioner. About battery life, the Type-C port can be compatible with various power banks. Using this 20,000 mAh power bank in my bag, it can provide a battery life of 4.5 hours. There are 2 power banks in the outdoor kit. Basically, there is no stress for a whole day.